Alright guys, today what we're gonna make my easy carrot cake. You want to go ahead and make sure you have all the ingredients that are listed on the screen. I've already basically prepared to make the cake, so I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys the instructions. So the first thing you want to do, preheat your oven to 350. Then you want to make sure you grease 2 9-inch round pans. Mix up all your dry ingredients, and then you're going to add in your wet ingredients into the sugars. And this is basically creaming to make your batter. You're going to add in each egg into the mixture of the sugar one by one. Mix it in between adding of each egg. And once you've added each egg, you want to go ahead and add in half of your flour, and then mix, and then add in the other half of your flour. Make sure you scrape the sides, guys. Then after you do that, add in some of your pecans, not all of it, but add in all of your carrots. Then you want to spoon in or use a spatula to mix in the carrots and the pecan. And after you mix it, you want to pour it into the pans. Put the pans into the oven and set your timer anywhere between 35 and 40 minutes. And while that's happening, we're going to go ahead and work on the filling. So this is the pecan filling, which is the 8-ounce cream cheese, powdered sugar, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, and some chopped pecans. And that's our first one. Then we're going to do the traditional cream cheese, which is cream cheese, a stick of butter, vanilla, some powdered sugar, and then you're just going to mix it all until it's creamy, and it should be a little thicker than the previous one once you get the powdered sugar added in. So it should look something like that. Once that's done, go ahead and check on your cake, guys. It should be finished. After you let the cake cool for at least 15 minutes, you can go ahead and begin to ice the cake. And after icing the cake, you could decorate it however you like. I'm using the creamy filling first. On the top layer, I'm going to use the traditional cream cheese to place on top, and put pecans on top of that for decorations. And guys, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching.